Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a requested video. This is a video showing you guys my no makeup look. So this is typically what I would do every day for work. I do use concealer and a little bit of foundation, but sorry girl who requested this. I just wanted to show how you can do it two ways, but you'll see throughout the video on how I say you can skip certain steps, but nevertheless, this is a no makeup look that I would normally do every day. If you're in school, working, or whatever it is that you want to do and you don't feel like doing a beat face, this is perfect to do. So if you want to see how I got this look, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so what I first do is moisturize my face. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer because although you're not wearing a full coverage like foundation or any type of foundation, you still want to prime your face so that your concealer or whatever powder you may use by itself, it can last all day and you just look flawless as though you put in work and you really didn't. So again, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer that looks like this. And I color correct my chin area because that's where I have a lot of dark hyperpigmentation down there. So that's what I do here. But you can certainly skip this step. All right. So now I'm gonna take the Pro, and that to color correct, what I used was the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange Corrector, their Orange Corrector for color correcting. And now I'm going to take the Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I'm just going to put this all under my eye, all on my face. And lately what I've been doing as far as my no makeup looks for work, I've been mixing like this concealer because it is a little orange. I've been mixing this concealer with my Fenty Beauty foundation because now that the winter is here or the cooler months are here, I think the Fenty one that I chose, which was in, I'll tell you guys about that, is a bit light. So I put the concealer all over my face. I then go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation in the color 310. This color is a bit light for me now, so I just use it to put on top of this concealer. I shake it up a bit and I just do 1, 2. But you can certainly skip this step as well if you don't want to do foundation at all and just go ahead and blend in your concealer. So I just do this. I put 2 pumps on each side because as we know, if you haven't seen my Fenty Beauty Pro foundation video, I'll link that down below. My first thoughts and first impressions on it, I'll link it down below. But this foundation does dry fast, so you have to work fast. So that's why I do 2 drops at a time on each side before I blend it all in. And then I move on to the next side. And then I go in on the other side. 1, 2. And I just blend that all in. So I think that's about it for that. Now, this is an everyday look. As you can see, now that we put a concealer or a foundation on, it kind of flattens your face out. So to brighten me up a bit, I'm going to be putting a little bit of concealer. And lately, I've just been trying out the All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer by Urban Decay. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put this on. And I've just been trying to get a feel for this. And so that's just a little concealer. And to set that concealer, I'm going to go in with my, you guys know I love my Original Formula Airspun Natural Powder. I'm going to go in with that under my eye where I just put that. I'm going to use a brush for that because I don't want, we're not baking or anything because this is a quick, like effortless look. And now, just to give my eyes a little bit of depth, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Peach Palette. And I'm going to go in with some transition shades and a little bit on the lid. We all know how this one looks. It's amazing. Smells so good. So I'm going to go in with the color Summer Yum. I hope I'm not blinding you guys with the mirror. I'm going to go in with the color Summer Yum, which is this transition shade here. And just brush that all over my eyelids. Definitely in the crease. And just all over. Now, if you don't have the Too Faced Peach Palette, no worries. You can certainly use any transition shade. One that is really awesome to use. If you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using drugstore products, I can certainly do that as well. Let me know down below. More affordable. But one makeup palette that is from the drugstore that is awesome to use is the Maybelline in the City Mini palette with Makeup Shayla. The brown that's in here is an awesome transition shade as well. I just wanted to use this Too Faced one because I hardly ever use any of my I hardly use these high-end palettes that I have, and it's like, come on, LaMonica, use it. So now I'm just going in with the Puree color that was beside that color, which is right here, just to deepen it up a bit. And most of the time I just leave it like this, and I just put some mascara on. The mascara that I'm going to use is my Tarteist mascara. I love this mascara. So I'm going to go in with this mascara. Now to go back to the face, we'll come back to the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my cheeks up. This is something that I love to do as well. I'm going to take the Hola Benefit bronzer, up the cheeks a bit, because you want to put definition back in your face. So up the temple, forehead, chin area. A little bit of the nose, not too much, but that's your preference. If you want to put some on your nose, you can certainly do that as well. So just a little bronzer. And then I'm going to go in and just make sure everything is seamless and just set everything with my Studio Fix MAC powder in NC43. Looks like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush away the excess powder and just press this into the skin. To make my eyes look more spiky and dramatic, I then go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. You guys know that this is a bomb mascara. Just to, you know, make you glow just a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm going to use that today. And I'm going to take this Morphe fan brush in M310 and just go ahead and put that on my high cheekbones, my nose, cheek again, a little bit of the forehead. And I also put on blush. You guys are probably like, it's so many steps to this no makeup everyday makeup, but this is truly every day because when I'm really putting on makeup, it's a lot more steps. So I'm just gonna go in because I can't go a day without blush. I love blush, especially the MAC blush in Lovejoy. This is a mineralized blush, so I'm gonna go in with this as well, just a little on my cheeks to add more color back into the face. All right, and now on to the lips. I'm gonna either do a lip gloss or a lipstick, but if you wanted to do a lip gloss, you can certainly do a nude lip gloss if you're into nudes, or whatever lip gloss that's not gonna like draw too much attention if you're just doing a simple makeup look. I'm gonna go in with Winter Warmer Cream Sheen Glass by MAC. Looks like that. And then you just spray. And yeah, so that is basically what I would do on an everyday like no makeup look. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below on other things you would like me to do here on my channel. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.